Welcome. Today I'll show you how to use TurboScribe, an AI-powered transcription service that quickly converts audio and video to text in over 98 languages with high accuracy. Let's dive in. TurboScribe offers 2 subscription options to meet your transcription needs. With TurboScribe Free, you can transcribe up to 3 files daily, with a maximum upload length of 30 minutes per file, perfect for occasional or lighter transcription needs. Click TurboScribe files to upload audio or video, choose the most accurate whale mode, choose your preferred language, and then click Browse to upload your audio or video file. Once TurboScribe finishes the transcription, simply click Open Transcript to view the text. Connect transparent arrow graphic to background node. Click on the background node and adjust the arrow's color to match your preferred style. With TurboScribe, you have full control over your transcripts. You can easily edit your transcript, save any changes, rename files, and organize them into folders for easy access. TurboScribe also supports downloads in multiple formats. And you can share transcripts directly by generating a shareable link, making collaboration and distribution seamless.